Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Ford Fusion. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and air conditioning. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Come down to our dealership. Allow us to demonstrate our commitment to excellence.